Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing how we set up a little at-home gym so that we can start working out at home. Gym memberships just haven't worked for us, and especially since I work from home, I think it's just going to be a little bit easier to work out at home. So we set this up upstairs after cleaning out our loft just a bit, but this is something that we've been wanting to do for a while, and everything was on sale, and so we were able to get everything for under about $500, which we were really excited about, all from Target. And of course I wanted to share the entire journey with you guys. Here is the current gym, and so I started somewhat strong, right? I have weights, dumbbell, some bands, but we're still going to use this in the new gym setup. I'm thinking of moving this to this corner, and the issue is this corner. So if you saw our Comic and Funko setup, I was like, oh, I'm not going to show y'all behind me. This is why. So the loft has become somewhat of like a storage. So we have all this that needs to go in the garage. We have to clean the garage. And then we have all of this that's just accumulated literally throughout the year. So I'm going to start tackling this, and this is why it's more of a major project. It's really just, again, stuff that needs to go into the garage. We have some boxes and stuff that we need to get rid of, but you can see my mat over there. That's going to stay up here. Really, it's just going to be clearing all this out. And yeah, that's the first step before we head to Target and get some new equipment, have some room. So Target haul. So I think I got a good base. So they have this fitness bench on sale for like $60 something. So I decided to get this. Sorry guys, I'm a little out of breath. I just brought all that up in like 2 tries because we are upstairs, and clearly out of shape since we're building a gym. But this was on sale for I think $65, which I thought it'd be great. I was gonna get like a little roller, but I think this will make it more like a gym, right? Having the bench, and you can lock it in different positions. And I looked it up, like did the scan thing on the Target app. Had pretty good reviews. So wanted to get that. Also got these fitness floor tiles. Just one so I could put the bench on them, just to protect the floor, but also just so it's a little bit more comfortable. These were $20. And then I got the Blogilates weights. I've had my eye on these weights since last year when I wanted to build my own gym, and then I actually ended up like getting a gym membership, which we talked about. But I wait for them to go on sale, and I feel like because it's the new year, they're gonna go on sale the moment that I post this, since I already bought it all. But they're running low, and I figured I want to do this now. Let me do it now, because I keep putting it off, and it goes on sale at random times. And these are, yes, overpriced. You don't need these, but I feel like it's going to motivate me to actually work out, especially since I've been wanting these. They're really cute, and I'm really excited to use them. So we got the 3, 5, all right, yeah, 3, 5, and then 10 pound. This fits the 3, 5, 8, and 10 pound. I tried to get the 15 on here, and it wouldn't fit. They didn't have the 8s in stock, so I'll probably just buy them online or wait until they're on sale and grab them, because really I primarily use these anyways. So yeah, we got all of these. And then I got the mini ab ball. This was like $10 for certain workouts, so we have a little ball. And yeah, I think that kind of rounds out everything that I have. So we have, this is an all in motion mat. I think it's like $25. Let's see. We have some weights from Tone It Up as well. I need a sweep, but we're going to put all this together and see how it looks. We're moving this to the corner. So I cleared out the corner, and I figured I'll put the little, what do you call it? It's a TV stand from IKEA, but we'll just call it our little table here. And then I'll have the bench and everything here because we have the couch, and that way everything's like against the wall. So yeah, let's assemble our little gym. about, I want to say a few days later, and of course, as I thought, the All in Motion and the Blogilates stuff went on sale for 20% off this week. But it's okay because it was also, like, everything was already sold out by the time that I went. So I am glad I got what I did when I went. I was able to pick up a few additional items though. So I was able to complete the set. So I got the 8-pound weights. And then I also got the 15-pound dumbbell. And here is what the bench looks like. My husband actually put this up. The bike just came in. I don't know if y'all can see that. So we'll put that up. That's stuff that we're getting rid of. But yeah, here's a little fitness area right now. And so far I like it. We haven't used it yet. I was waiting for the bike to like complete the set and get everything together. And then I honestly just haven't been feeling well. And I still need to clear out some stuff over here. But we got 2 more sets of mats. So we're going to have this kind of pull out a little bit more and then go out. So that way there's a lot more room. And then it sets this up pretty well. So yeah, current state. All right, you guys. So the gym is complete. I got a few new pieces at Target that I'll share with you guys that we need to put up. But I love it. The loft is currently a mess. So we're cleaning out our garage, and this is like trash. We need to put that in the garage. That'll be cleaned up eventually. But for now, let's focus on the gym. And you guys, I think it's great. Here are the mats. We have some extra just in case we want to expand. For now, this works well, especially with the space. We'll need to reconfigure once we put everything in the garage. But this is the bike. So I got this on sale for like $2 something at Target. Again, I'll have everything linked below. Everything together was less than $500, which is a bit of an investment, but this is pieces that we'll for sure keep. And I'm really glad that we finally have an at-home gym. I feel like we'll use it more since it's in our house, and I'm excited. It did have like red stickers on the sides going down. I didn't like that, so I just took it off. Same with like the screen on the bench, but we'll keep it there for now. I might try and like paint it or something, but yeah, I'm really loving this. So this is the bike, and very simple, pretty good if you ask me, for especially for the price. We have the bench that is adjustable. I recently picked these up while Target was having their sale. So we have some slider discs and then some resistance bands, and then we'll put those on the shelf. I'll probably move the weights down, our older weights, and then put those up here. We have the dumbbells, full set of the Blogilates dumbbells, which I just love. I think it really like makes the gym. I think it's cute. And then mat and some other resistance bands. And yeah, I really love how everything turned out. I really love this like padding. I think it's just really nice, and it's actually pretty comfortable to like walk on. But yeah, other than that, that is the at-home gym. And that is going to be it for this video. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.